Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the Aula keyboard has power and is ready to pair. Turn it on and enable its pairing mode, often a long press or specific key combination, because that broadcasts its identity to your device. Once done, open Bluetooth settings on your laptop, tablet, or phone and keep the device close, about 1 to 2 meters. Make sure no other active Bluetooth devices are crowding the channel. This reduces interference and speeds discovery, so you find the Aula entry quickly. You'll see the Aula keyboard show up in the Bluetooth list. Select it. If multiple entries appear, pick the one matching your model suffix. When prompted, confirm the passcode or accept the connection request. This authenticates the link and prevents accidental pairing. Once paired, open a Notes app and type to verify the layout and responsiveness. If keys seem mismatched, make sure the keyboard language setting in your device matches the Aula layout. This prevents wrong characters and keeps your workflow smooth. You finish by marking the Aula keyboard as trusted or enabling AutoConnect so it reconnects automatically in future, which saves time. If the connection fails, power cycle both devices and try pairing again. Sometimes a simple reboot clears Bluetooth caches. If problems persist, reset the Aula keyboard to factory pairing mode and repeat the steps. This clears stale pairings. One key troubleshooting tip: if interference seems likely, move to a different room or turn off nearby Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.